Let's make an easy wreath. Cut your 10-inch mesh into 36-inch pieces and gather down the center of it to create a cute little ruffle. Now, using a twist tie, I secured my ruffle and attached it to my wire wreath frame. I do this around the wreaths until I have used all 10 yards, keeping 2 sections clear and empty so we can attach our blue mesh. I do the same ruffle and attach it to the empty space. Now let's add the stars to our flag. I used an amazing 2-sided Stars and Stripes ribbon. You make a loop of your ribbon, then twist it, then make the bottom loop, and continue doing this process. The twist is what lets the stars continue to show, but you see the really cute stripes inside the loop to go with the USA flag theme. I use cloth-covered wire to secure my bow together, and I use that same wire to attach it over the navy part of the flag. That's it! You made an amazing